Your 20s are financial quicksand. Everyone around you is financing cars they can't afford, taking on massive debt. They're upgrading apartments, ordering takeout like it's a subscription service, and wondering why they're always broke. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Purchases in your 20s determine if your 30s build wealth or repeat the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. Most people get this backwards. They think their 20s are for spending, and their 30s are for getting serious. That's like training for a marathon the week of the race. If you want wealth later, here are 7 smart things to buy in your 20s. 1. A side hustle. Not just an idea, an investment. A real side hustle usually costs money to start. A website, equipment, tools, courses. Your 20s are the best time to take that risk. Low responsibilities, high upside. One successful income stream can change your financial trajectory. 2. Index funds through a Roth or tax-advantaged account. Time is your unfair advantage. Small monthly investments can compound into serious money. You don't need to gamble on stocks. You need consistency. Automate it. Let it run in the background. Let time do the heavy lifting. 3. A plane ticket for strategic travel. Not for Instagram, but for perspective. Travel builds confidence, adaptability, connections, and long-term thinking. Do it smart. Use points. Avoid debt. Expand your world while you're young enough to take risks and learn. 4. Practical education. Books, real skills, legitimate courses. Not flashy programs from people flexing rented cars. Invest in skills that increase your earning power. Your income grows when your value grows. 5. Real estate if possible. Even house hacking or renting out rooms. Real estate builds wealth through leverage, appreciation, and cash flow. It's not passive in the beginning, but it can accelerate everything. It's a powerful wealth builder. 6. Cheap, reliable transportation. Not a status symbol, just transportation. A car is not an investment. It's a depreciating tool. Avoid massive car payments in your 20s and invest the difference. That decision alone can be worth hundreds of thousands over time. 7. Your health. This one gets ignored, but wealth requires energy. Prioritize sleep, nutrition, and movement. Your body is the engine behind every goal you have. If that engine fails, everything slows down. Here's what connects all 7. They're long-term plays. While everyone else is optimizing for looking successful, you're optimizing for becoming successful. Your 20s aren't about impressing people. They're about building leverage. So ask yourself, are your purchases compounding or depreciating? Make smart choices today for a wealthy tomorrow. If you want more breakdowns like this, subscribe to the Financial Sketchpad. Build real freedom, not financial illusions. See you in the next one.